Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at the YEARN finance or YFI. And before we go into the video, let me just take some moments to wish you a Merry Christmas and a very happy holidays, right? Trust you are enjoying your holidays. And today we would just be looking at the update on YFI, right? So we are on the chart right here for YFI, currently at the $8,300 level. We are ranked 189 with a market cap of about 278 million dollars. We have a 24-hour volume of about $38 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis, and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So on the week, right, or this week, YFI is down about 0.5% or up about 0.4% on the week. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We on the daily time frame, and Binance is the date source, right? And so right here for YFI, we're seeing this sort of long consolidation, and we were seeing that a huge move for YFI was brooding, right? And so far we saw prices push above our bull market EMA, this blue line right here. We said expect this sort of massive push right here for YFI. And right, exactly as predicted, we saw that massive push for YFI into that 14 to 15 $1,000 level, which was about a 192% push to the upside, right? We knew what happened with the devs and everything, where we saw this massive dump to the upside, to the downside, and currently we basically have just been consolidating ever since, right? But we have been consolidating exactly above our bull market EMA, and we said so far prices continue to be above the bull market EMA. YFI is still bullish, and we should still expect some sort of massive push to the upside. If you remember, as you can see, we saw this huge long accumulation before we saw in less than 1 week this massive push of about 100 to 200%. So the same thing is happening right here. We are seeing this kind of long consolidation, and into next year with a high probability we could see another massive push to the upside, even above our former highs into new highs right here for YFI, right? So that's the update right here for YFI. YFI still remains bullish as we are still above all our bull market EMA. That's the update right here for YFI. And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the share button, and also click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.